Here is my 1972 P-23 Lakewood box van. On the tag it says S-23, and that's because it's a transitional model. It's when Kmart got ready to start calling this the P-23 back in 1973. So this is transitioning from the S-23 to the P-23. So we all know that it's a P-23. So let's go ahead and run it at full power, and here we go.
Mr. Baker sending the estimate to the insurance company. We had asked Ralph if there was any hail damage, if he would please submit an estimate. Yes. But we didn't hire him to
Well, there's the start sound. Hopefully you heard that. Here it is at full power, or high speed, if you will. It's just like I remember it. Coming up as a kid back in 1978 when I was 5 years old. We had a 1978 model. I remember my dad brought it home for the first time. I was 5 years old back then. Shiny mirror type blades, McMillan motor. They had all that. Of course, me being 5 years old back then, I didn't know anything about that. I was just really getting into fans. Like I said, I started liking them when I was 3 and really started liking them at 5. And here I am at 51 years old, almost 52, and still like them. I'll always like them until I get to heaven. So anyways, I'm going to stop rambling and let y'all enjoy the video. Spin down.
I worked for the state of Minnesota. I worked at the mental health facility. I did legal work. I did commitments.
What about your husband?
He has been retired. He used to remove asbestos.
And so this is what you've been doing for a living for quite a number of years, as I heard earlier. Ma'am, were you always his sidekick there?
I was.
You must have been in charge, I think.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. The Mont Fan Man, and out.
Issues